Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about the e-Oscar system and how it processes your disputes. Now, as a disclaimer, this video should not be taken as legal advice, for it is just for educational purposes only. I am not an attorney, so please contact a consumer attorney if you need legal assistance regarding this matter. So, what is the e-Oscar system? e-Oscar stands for the online solution for complete and accurate reporting, and it's a web-based automated dispute system used by the 3 credit bureaus. The bureaus input your disputes in a computer, then they're delivered to the creditor or data furnisher. So how can you use the e-Oscar system to your advantage? Success in disputing comes from human confusion and error. Since the bureaus use the system to automate the process and eliminate human errors, you actually want to leverage the errors to get your negative and inaccurate items deleted from your credit report. e-Oscar reads your disputes and assigns it a 2 or 3 digit reason code. The code is the reason for your dispute. So for example, the reason may be that the account doesn't belong to you or that you were never really late on that payment. This is the only thing that is pulled from your dispute letters, and it's the only thing that the creditors and credit bureaus care about. All they want to know is the account that you're disputing and why. The data furnisher is only given the name, the account, and the reason for your dispute in the form of a code. The creditor actually never sees the letter. The creditor then verifies the account and validates the account as accurate, or will acknowledge that it is incorrect and will delete it. If the creditor does not respond within 30 days, the credit bureaus will delete the item. So all the creditor has to do is verify the account on their end and validate the item in one click if they find it to be accurate. And because of the e-Oscar system, any documentation that you have supporting the case will never make it to the creditor. You can beat the e-Oscar system because it's a computer based, just like any other computer, but you need to understand how it works. Disputes come from the e-Oscar system as an automated universal data form. So you want your information to be passed on to a human instead of e-Oscar. This way, the human investigator has to input the information of your dispute manually into the e-Oscar system, which makes the perfect opportunity for an error to be made. There are certain techniques and strategies that you can use to bypass the e-Oscar system, and these strategies are actually used by my team and I to ensure that we get the best results for our clients. But we'll cover that one on the next video. So with that being said, I hope you like the information on this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.